Here we have a 2017 17-plate Mercedes-Benz C250D AMG Line Premium Plus. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 18-inch alloy wheels in black and silver. Now we do have the LED headlights as well as the black Panoramic style front grille. Now we do have the blacked out styling on this vehicle, so as you can see we do have the night pack black front splitter, black window trim and also the privacy glass on the rear. You also have a panoramic sunroof just up there as well. Now, not to forget, we do also have the black wing mirrors. Now, do you have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, power-assisted rear tailgate, and you also have the black tip exhaust, which are flush with the rear bumper, and also the rear diffuser. Now, this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents, or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now, if we get to the rear of the car, I'll show you bits of the interior. There's a look at the panoramic sunroof just up there. Now, peering on inside, you can see we do have full leather throughout with the ISO fixed point just down there. We also have pull down RMS with 2 nice sized cup holders and storage just in there. We also have the storage behind the driver and the passenger seat. On the doors, you do get your electric windows, black ashwood trim with ambient lighting just underneath, and you also have the integrated premium Burmester sound system. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's full leather front seat. Now the driver and the passenger are fully heated, electric and memory, as you can see just there. Electric windows, premium Burmester sound system, black ashwood trim with the ambient lighting just underneath. Jumping inside the car and looking just down there, you have your engine start button and also your auto lights. Foot on the brake, touch of the button and then the vehicle will then start. Now as you can see we do have a multifunction steering wheel just there, and this vehicle has done just over 59,680 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now looking just down there, you have your cruise control and speed limiter and also your electric steering wheel adjustment. Looking over to the centre screen, you can see the satellite navigation as well as your radio, which is DAB, media connectivity. Now you do have Bluetooth and you also have media interface 1 and 2. Now they are USB ports. You also have Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well. Now if we go into the car settings and into vehicle settings, go across to ambient lighting colour, you can see we do have a couple of colours to choose from. Now we do have, when I click on that, we have solar, polar and also neutral, so orange, blue and white. I like to keep it on the blue. Now coming back over here, we do have the different drive modes, so we do have Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sports Plus and also Individual. Pop back into Comfort. Now if I pop the car into reverse, you can see you do have the rear reversing camera with a visual display of your front and rear parking sensors just there. Black ashwood trim all in the centre of this vehicle. Opening this up, 2 nice sized cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and also storage just there with the key. And this is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. We also have your dual zone climate control just down here. Now you control it from this panel there, just here, and it's displayed at the bottom of the screen just there. Now there's a look at the passenger's full leather front seat with the extended thigh support, and I'll show you that the heated seats work exactly how you would expect them to. As you can see, the passenger does and also the driver does. We have the panoramic sunroof, which is currently open. Now you control it from just here, so if I press that button it'll then start to close. Now when that is fully closed, the blind will then fully open just like so. Now to close the blind, simply just press that button again and I'll show you that the blind works exactly how you'd expect them to. So your front and rear working both exactly how you would expect them to. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. This HPI clear comes with a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz C250D AMG Line Premium Plus. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not on fighting the steering wheel to keep it a straight line, it's going straight and true, not veering over to the left or to the right hand side. Now I do have a multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift in the rear, which is set car into manual mode. I do also have the cruise control and speed limiter installed just underneath there as well. Now at the van right, I can take a left as you would if you test drive this vehicle today. Now to activate the cruise control on the cruise control store, simply just press down and then go to the nearest miles an hour. Push up very slightly or just by 1. Push up until feel a bit of a click and it'll just hit nearest 5 miles an hour. Now to cancel, simply push away or tap the brake and then the cruise control will then cancel. Now I do have paddle shift if we stick the car into manual mode is there as well. Now we also have the gear select on the right hand side of the steering wheel there as well to save any mess and clutter there, so it's a very slick and smooth design. Now we do have the big ProNav screen in the centre where you can find your satellite navigation. We also have Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity. We also have a rear reversing camera with front and rear parking sensors. We also have DAB radio and lots of other functions there as well. We have the premium integrated Burmester sound system, which does sound absolutely incredible, next to the heated electric and memory controls for your driver and passenger seat. Now the seats are very comfortable and they're full leather. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out feeling wanting knocks or bangs, and if you're listening out during the test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, and just to show you that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So pulling in just now, and I'll do the emergency stop on a count of 3. So 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the camera just in the centre. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me in this walk around video test drive. I'll hear from you soon. Cheers.